unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
Misfires at high RPM can result from several issues, including insufficient fuel delivery, spark plug failure, or ignition system malfunctions. At high speeds, engines require more fuel and accurate spark timing to maintain performance. Problems like clogged fuel injectors, worn spark plugs, or faulty ignition coils disrupt this balance, leading to misfires. Regular maintenance, such as replacing spark plugs and ensuring fuel system cleanliness, is key to preventing these issues and ensuring optimal engine performance.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.